Make a great choice today with the 2016 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
We're located on Route 38 in beautiful Maple Shade, New Jersey, or online at fiatofmapleshade.com.